So me and Ashley are we're racing home pretty much, and right now she's beating me. I don't know if you can see if she's waving. See if she waves. See if we can get her to wave. Wave! Wave! She's not gonna wave. And this light is taking forever. Hey, you feel all tuckered.
Are you taking a video of me?
I am. But you're in the sun, so I can't see you.
That's a good thing, because I look really terrible today.
You just look tuckered. Just tuckered.
Happy birthday, New Mexico!
Oh, Ashley wants to celebrate New Mexico's birthday tonight with a fiesta
birthday,
style.
January
100th.
6th, 2012.
Today the 6th?
Today's the 6th.
Today is the 6th. We'll see. You really want to do that?
Have a fiesta?
Have a fiesta birthday party for...
Yeah, make some special food. The recipes are here.
Yum. Okay, show me. How do I talk about going to the park? Show. I want to go to the park.
I go to the park.
She's special. Ashley needs to get me a flip, so I don't have to use my stupid phone.
I bought you a camera for Christmas.
Oh yeah, she did buy me a camera for Christmas.
Sure.
She bought me a flip cam knockoff.
Wannabe.
But it was the thought that counts. She's making memes. We're gonna see how this turns out. Some Creole. Is an ugly blister.
You shouldn't do this while you're driving.
Well, if I want to be like all the other cool YouTube vloggers, I gotta be able to do this while I'm driving. If I had a flip, you know, this wouldn't be so hard. Yuck. Oh yeah, I don't know what this girl is doing. What? Yeah, sorry. I don't know what that girl is doing. So me and Ashley is not paying attention.
You passed the turn.
Oh, I passed the turn. I wasn't paying attention. It's my first day
First day of what?
of vlogging in the car with somebody else.
You've been vlogging for a while.
You know what? Here, you take the camera. Don't just shine it at me.
Say something funny.
Something
funny.
Knock, knock. Ashley tells this joke that she never, well, she better get it right now.
Sun is bright.
Don't shine it at your face. Don't show people the sky. Nobody's like you wants to see the sky.
But the sun is pretty.
You're pretty.
Turn right. Pay attention, dude.
Well, then do your thing right.
Yeah.
Ashley's new to blogging.
Vlogging.
Vlogging. It's not called vlog. Vlogging.
That's what it looks like.
Vlogging. Yeah. Nice. Is that something you do in your, like, kid tennis things?
No, they can't do it on the rim of the racket.
Like you?
Sorry for big kids.
Oh, look at you. Ooh. Oh, get in there. Get in there. Get in there.
I really do want some water, though.
In the desert, with a fountain like this, she would go thirsty.
You better be careful.
I will. Up, up, up. Yeah. Ashley is cooking madness right now. Look at this thing. That is a sopapilla. We are from New Mexico.
Happy birthday, New Mexico!
And it is my job to make the rice, which isn't hard at all. Sadly,
I'm eating while I'm cooking.
Ashley doesn't like vlogging. She doesn't consider herself a vlogger. Everyone on the internet is going to hate you.